case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1992, a legal dispute arose between the shareholders of the Pedro Companies, a luggage and leather goods manufacturer owned by three brothers, Alfred, Carl, and Eugene Pedro. The lawsuit centered on the interpretation of a Minnesota law stipulating that shareholders of privately held companies must act in an honest, fair, and reasonable manner, while also addressing the process for dissolving or selling the company in case of disagreements. Alfred Pedro sought to dissolve the corporation, but his brothers and the company opposed this decision, prompting a trial. At trial, the jury awarded damages for breach of fiduciary duty and wrongful termination of lifetime employment to Alfred Pedro. The court also examined issues related to joint and several liability, prejudgment interest, judge recusal, and attorney fees. The shareholders had previously modified a stock retirement agreement in 1979 that facilitated the purchase of a shareholder's stock upon death or when they wished to sell their stock. The Minnesota Court of Appeals ultimately affirmed the trial court's decisions on all matters, including the award of damages and attorney fees to Alfred Pedro. The court based this judgment on the breach of fiduciary duty by the appellants and the finding that Alfred Pedro had a reasonable expectation of lifetime employment, resulting in damages for the wrongful termination of his contract.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.